Hi, this is Tim from longarmmachines.com. I have two Bernina Artista 730s here, and the one I got in had a problem with the light set. So Bernina just came out with a new LED light set for this machine, and I just want you to check it out because it's really bright and it's something that you may want to consider. So I have two machines here. I'm just going to switch them both on at the same time. This is a very popular machine. It's a big upgrade to the Artista 200, and yeah, it's definitely a lot brighter. So we'll let these fire up right here. This may be an upgrade you would want to consider. Let's see. These machines take forever to start, but they are great machines. Okay, this is the non-LED, and this is the regular new LED. As you can see, let me just try to pan in here. That's the LED, the brand new LED installed, and it's way brighter versus the standard light set. I'm not sure how it comes out in this video, but you can definitely tell a difference, and one knock with this machine is of the light set. It's hard to see the sewing area. I paid $147 for this light set and this upgrade, and I definitely think it's worth it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with more cool tips.